Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome to KannadaMagic channel. Here you will learn Kannada conversations through English. This is part 1 video. We will teach you how to use some basic words and sentences in Kannada during your normal conversations. I have my friend here.
Namaskara.
We are going to repeat the pronunciation slowly so that you can catch them easily. You can repeat along with us. We have highlighted few Kannada alphabets while learning conversations and sentences so that you can start figuring out the written Kannada script and alphabets and few words. So let's get started and have fun learning the language. Also surprise your friends, colleagues and neighbors with few words and sentences right from today. Let's go. Okay, let's get started with how to greet a person or people when you meet them. You meet a person at office or wherever it is, you say Namaskara.
Namaskara.
This is nothing but saying hello, hi or good morning. Okay, how do you say?
Namaskara.
Yeah. Namaskara in Kannada can be said during any part of the day. That's okay. Other person also says Namaskara
Namaskara.
and then you continue and you want to ask how are you? Then say ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
How do you say?
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
The other person can say ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
How do you say?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Yeah. So ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ basically means how are you? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ means I'm fine. So you want to ask back the person how are you? So while answering ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ you also say ನೀವು.
ನೀವು?
Yeah. So if I ask you ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
How do you respond?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು?
Yeah. So basically you're asking back the same person who asked you ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? You will say ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೀವು. Okay? Now let's learn about how to ask about a person. You see someone and you want to know about him or her. Ask avaru yaru.
ಅವರು ಯಾರು?
Avaru means he or she. Yaru means who. Who is it? So how you say?
ಅವರು ಯಾರು?
Yeah. Then the answer can be ivaru nanna appa.
ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪ.
Here ivaru means he, nanna means my, appa means dad. Ivaru nanna appa.
ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪ.
Yeah, appa or tande are referring to the father, so you can use any one of the word appa or tande.
ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ.
Yeah, both are same. Now let's say you want to ask about a lady particularly, then you can ask ಆಕೆ ಯಾರು?
ಆಕೆ ಯಾರು?
ಆಕೆ means she, then yaru means who. So you want to ask who is that lady? How do you say?
ಆಕೆ ಯಾರು?
Yeah. Then the answer can be ivaru nanna amma.
ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ.
Yeah, here ivaru means she, nanna means my, amma means mom or mother. Okay, so you can also use tai means mother itself. So how do you ask?
ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ.
Yeah. Then you want to continue and say ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ದೆಹಲಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದರು means she just came from Delhi. So you want to say that you can say ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ದೆಹಲಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದರು.
ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ದೆಹಲಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದರು.
Yeah, here Igatane means just now. Delhi Inda means from Delhi. Bandaru means just came, right? So you learned how to ask about a person, and now you can also see some of the Kannada alphabets highlighted here. The first one is A. A is used in avaru yaru. So you are saying avaru, in that A is seen. Then in the second sentence where you are saying Ake yaru, you can see the second letter A. Okay. Then in the next line you can see Ivaru Nanna Appa. In that E is there in the starting letter of that line. Then you can also observe the next letter E in the line Igatane Delhi in the Bandaru. Means Igatane is starting with the letter E. So these are the first four vowels or first four alphabets in Kannada. Okay. Okay, let's learn some conversation that happen during lunch or dinner time. Okay. You wanna ask, can you give me some salt, or can you hand over that salt? For that in Kannada you will say Salpa uppu kodi.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಪ್ಪು ಕೊಡಿ.
Yeah. Here Salpa means some, uppu means salt, and kodi means give. With respect, you want to ask somebody, you have to say kodi. So how do you say?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಪ್ಪು ಕೊಡಿ.
Yeah. Then the other person can say ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Or in spoken Kannada, you can just say ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Means take it, or here it is. So how you say?
ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Or
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
yeah. Here again, ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ or ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, you're saying with respect to the other person. Now, during lunchtime in office, you can initiate any conversation with your colleagues, like ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Means had your lunch. Okay. So how you initiate a conversation? You can say
ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
yeah. The other person says ಆಯ್ತು, means yes, I had. How you say?
ಆಯ್ತು.
Yeah. You can use ಆಯ್ತು anytime if you want to say anybody that something is done or complete. You can say ಆಯ್ತು.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Now you can observe a few characters or alphabets here. First one is U. U is used in uppu. Salpa uppu kodi. In that you can see U letter. Then the next one is U. The U is used in uta, aita. In that you can see U letter. Followed by one more alphabet, Ru. Ru, you can use it for words like Rushi is one of the letter in Kannada vowels. So U, U and Ru. So these are the three letters that also you learned in this video. Now let's move on. Okay. Now let's touch upon few conversation on time. How do you ask, what is the time now in Kannada? You will say ಈಗ ಸಮಯ ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಈಗ ಸಮಯ ಎಷ್ಟು?
Yeah. Here ಈಗ means now, samaya means time, ಎಷ್ಟು means how much or what. So how you say ಈಗ ಸಮಯ ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಈಗ ಸಮಯ ಎಷ್ಟು?
You can also say ಈಗ time ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಈಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು?
Answer can be it's 7 o'clock. So then you have to say ಈಗ 7 ಗಂಟೆ.
ಈಗ 7 ಗಂಟೆ.
Yeah, pronounce it as ಈಗ 7 ಗಂಟೆ.
ಈಗ 7 ಗಂಟೆ.
Yeah, here iga means now, elu means 7, gante means hour. So it's a 7 o'clock and you say iga 7 gante.
ಈಗ 7 ಗಂಟೆ.
Okay, then you want to ask what time you get up in the morning to someone. You can ask ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಏಳುತ್ತೀರಾ?
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಏಳುತ್ತೀರಾ?
Yeah, here ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ means morning, ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ means what time, ಏಳುತ್ತೀರಾ means get up. So how do you ask?
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಏಳುತ್ತೀರಾ?
Yeah, then you can answer ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆ.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆ.
Yeah, you're answering morning 5 o'clock I get up, so you say by ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆ.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆ.
Okay, so here you can observe some letters in Kannada, that is A, S2 has the first letter as A, that is Iga Samya S2 has A. Then you have A, Iga 7 gante, 7 has A. And then the other line you can see beligge 5 gante. In that Aidu starts with a letter called I. So A, I are the Kannada alphabets you can see here. Now let's see, how do you conversate in a hotel or a shop? So you go to a hotel and you want to ask, give me one masala dosa, and then you say ಒಂದು ಮಸಾಲ ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಒಂದು ಮಸಾಲ ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Yeah, it means ಒಂದು means one, masala dosa of course, and then kodi means give me. So how you ask?
ಒಂದು ಮಸಾಲ ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Or you can ask ಒಂದು ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಟೀ ಕೊಡಿ, or ಒಂದು ಊಟ ಕೊಡಿ. You can ask different ways. Then if you want to say, you cannot read out the menu and then you want to request someone, you can say menu annu odi.
ಮೆನು ಅನ್ನು ಓದಿ.
Menu, of course, you know, annu means you read the menu. Odi means read. How do you say?
ಮೆನು ಅನ್ನು ಓದಿ.
Yeah. Then say you want to ask somebody about where is a medical store. You can say ಔಷಧಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಔಷಧಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Aushadhi Angadi is nothing but a medical store, and then Ellide means where is it? Okay, so you can use this where you want to ask about anything. Where is it? You can say where is that? So Ellide, okay, or shop Ellide, or that Angadi Ellide. So you can use Ellide for many things, right? Bus stop Ellide kind of sentences you can use ellide. Okay, then how much does it cost? You want to ask the shopkeeper about something, vegetable or fruit or something, and you are holding that, and you can just say idu estu.
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು?
Yeah, means you're asking how much does it cost, whatever it is. Idu estu.
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು?
Idu means this, estu means how much it does it cost. Okay, so how you say?
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು?
Yeah. Now you can see there are a few alphabets highlighted here. ಒಂದು masala dosa kodi has O as one letter. Then in the other sentence, menu annu odi. Odi starts with the O letter. Then aushadhi angadi has two alphabets that you can notice here, au and Aushadhi starts with au and angadi starts with okay, and then you have one more alphabet, aha. So these are the vowels present in Kannada script. Congratulations! With this video you learned how to greet a person, how to ask about a person, how to conversate during lunchtime, how to ask about time, how to interact in a hotel or a shop. And you also learned 15 vowels and its usage in daily conversations in Kannada. Hope you liked the video and subscribe to KannadaMagic channel to see more useful videos. Have fun and keep smiling.